going on, mga Lepa Peeps? And this is the Ôasis here in Kejimkujik. I'm going to walk you through inside and then I'll let you see what's inside here before you are going to book. So this is just going to be an overview of what you could get inside so that before you book, you could decide whether this is going to be worth it for you or not. So let's just get inside here. So the door has two sides. Actually, you can open this one halfway, and then there's also a screen here. I'll show you to you later on. So here's the screen. Actually, it's magnetic. You could just pull this down, and then on this, they could just this will prevent any insects to get inside. Maybe not perfectly prevent or 100%, but at least it will prevent most of the insects on getting inside. So this is a magnetic. It has a magnetic lock on the sides. So if you don't want to use that one, so you just have to fold this up and then lock it up. There you go. Okay, so I'm just gonna lock this up now. Okay, and so once you get inside, here is first they have multiple plugs. So they have one, and then the second one is there. This is the second plug. Then they also have the lights here. So these lights. Then there's another plug actually up. I'll show it to you later on. They have two lights, one in here and then one up. Then they have a fire extinguisher here just in case. It's for your safety as well. So I'm just gonna close the door. Okay, so they also have clothes hanger here or jacket. You could hang your jackets here. And then there's another set here. We didn't realize that there's another one here. So there are four hanging hooks for your clothes. Next is they have a couple of shelves here as well. So they have one. These are one of the few shelves. One, and then second here, and then third. So you could put your things here, and then another one here. So if you have things to charge or devices to charge, you could just put them here and then use the plugs. And by the way, the plugs has USB slots aside from the conventional plug. Then we have this. You know what's fun with this Ôasis tent? It has a heater itself. See? And this is really, really warm. So we really thought at first that there is no heater. I'm gonna turn it off now because it's not even cold. So we really thought that this doesn't have a heater. So we brought some winter clothes to use when we are going to sleep. Fortunately, there is one heater here, and then you can turn it on, and then it's really, really warm. And so you don't have to bring your own heater anymore. Then next is this area here. So excuse our items here. So this area here, it has double purpose. First is you can use it as a table. This one. Second is aside from that, these are the benches that you could sit on, and then once you go to sleep, you could use this table here, and then also the benches here as a bed. So here's what you're going to do: is you have to lower it down until down further. So that's the maximum. Then wait. I have to turn it back up. Okay, so I have to turn it back up because I need to. You need. You need to put up the. You need to set that sides first here, the flap. There you go. Then another one here. Set it up. There you go. And then now you have to pull. You have to roll it down. Then there you go. So you can put. I won't put these anymore. Okay, for the sake of you to see these, so you can put it here. Just arrange it properly. I don't know. Oh, okay, there you go. And then you need to be good with your puzzle. Okay, next is alright. Then and now it's a bed. So I think two adults could sleep over here, and then also if you have children, you can let them sleep on top, because this one here is a hammock on top where you could get a view of the scenery around Kejimkujik. So our view here is the Kej beach. Yep, that's our view. And so yeah, so what you are going to do is, if you don't use the bed anymore, just put these sofas on the side, and there, up you go. You're done with your bed. Also, if you have a question about privacy, yes, there is privacy here, only down here, because up there is no cover for the windows. Because of this, the tarp here, you could close this one, and then this will cover the entire window already. And then next is, if you are feeling warm, especially during summer, you can also open this window here. So it's kind of warm right now actually, so that's why we opened this one. So yep, and yeah, so you could open the window. What else? Okay, let's go up. So if you go up, this is actually the highlight of the Ôasis, because it is fun to be up. So they have the ladder here. So this ladder will take you up to the hammock. Also on top they have a cover here that will also prevent you from falling down if you are going to sleep. All right, so just gonna go up. All right, I'm just gonna take the camera from Kay so that I'll let you show what's inside here. Okay, so this is the hammock. It is a very durable type of mesh. Then this is the cover. So I'm just gonna go up further. Just want to let you know that there is a weight limit on this hammock here. I think the weight limit is it's 160 kilograms, a total of 160 kilograms of the weight limit. That's the published weight limit. So now what you could get here is, first and foremost, is the view. So this is your view up. It's a panoramic view of the Kedge beach and then the trees. It is very rewarding. It really feels luxurious. I think this is the most luxurious campsite in Kejimkujik, or maybe the whole of Parks Canada. Then next is as what I've said before earlier. There is a light here. Oh, I think it wasn't plugged down because yeah, I removed it. But anyways, yep, it's not broken. Okay. So yeah, so I don't know what's this one. Maybe it's a ventilation, or and then there's a plug here. So the plug is the same as downstairs, I think. Wait. No, it doesn't have the USB, but there is a plug here that you can use. And yeah, so this area here isn't that huge, but it will fit 2 adults, not exceeding 160 kilograms. Or if you have children, then yeah, 1 adult and one child could also fit here. So if you're going up here, you could just take turns on staying here at the top of the hammock. And yeah, so I guess that's everything that you could get from this Ôasis tent. Let me know in the comment section below if this is really worth it. If this is worth $147 more or less, I'll just put it as $150 for one night. And also, this Ôasis tent gets booked out all the time. We were just so lucky that we were able to book this during the long weekend, because maybe the Victoria Day is not a stat holiday, so we just got lucky and then we booked this Ôasis tent. So yep, so that's everything, and I'll show you more about Ôasis if I have to. And then if you have any comments or any suggestions, just put in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it.